I'm going to ask you the question, Mzansi. Have you noticed wrinkles on your face, or maybe your joints and bones are getting achy? Well, if the answer is yes, then you could have a collagen deficiency. But now you're probably thinking, what exactly is collagen? Well, fortunately, owner and founder of the Harvest Table, Catherine Clark, joined us in studio this morning to chat about what exactly collagen is and the many benefits of it. And more importantly, we're going to learn more about their wholesome products and how they're helping people to make better food choices daily. So can we say a very good morning, welcome to Catherine Clark. So good to have you with us this morning.
Thank you for having me. It's so awesome to be here.
It's so wonderful to meet the person behind a product that I've seen and heard about so much. So let's talk about the Harvest Table and the journey that it took to, create this brand.
So when I was 20 years old, I was actually diagnosed with a disease called Hodgkin's lymphoma, which is a lymph cancer. And I'd been sick for quite some time and actually started looking at how my diet changes could assist with how I was feeling. And I'd made quite radical changes to my diet and included more vegetables and fruits and all of those good things. And that really then got me looking at how food can impact our health. And that was now 20 years ago, so I've learned a lot since then. And as I've grown on my journey, I've realized there's certain products that I was really wanting in for me and my family, and I couldn't find exactly what I needed in the market. So my husband and I did a lot of research and have developed this range, really primarily for myself and my family to start. And we just found, friends really enjoyed it, and it's kind of grown from there. And such a joy really to be working alongside people to improve their health. And that's really what the Harvest Table is all about.
I love that. Collagen is that hot trend and hot topic at the moment. You said it dated back 20 years ago, so it's not something new, but what are some of the benefits of collagen?
So collagen is an amino acid that your body uses really to build your structure that holds you together. So your skin, your hair, your nails, your joints, ligaments, gut lining. So really important and actually quite an ancient kind of product. So if you think of our ancestors, they would have had a lot of soups and stews. And in fact, the fire was the center of the home, and there was always a stock kind of brewing on the fire. And that stock was full of collagen. So that's actually a traditional bone broth, which is also something we hear a lot about at the moment. It's a really hot topic because it has such amazing health benefits. So you get your collagen naturally from a product like a bone broth, but I just find in today's fast-paced life, we don't have time to be sitting cooking a broth for 2 days at a time. We want something that's instant but still has that good quality about it and that deep nutrition. And so that's where our range of products come in. And you find when taking your collagen or your bone broth daily, you're going to see stronger hair and nails, your skin starting to glow, your joint aches and pains resolving. People find that their digestion works better, that they have more energy. Some people find that they lose weight simply because it's such a good quality protein that it really just helps you curb cravings. So quite a wide range of benefits, and something we believe should be part of your foundational diet daily.
Well, speaking of our foundational diet, you mentioned bone broth earlier. Is collagen something we can find in our foods naturally, or is it a little bit more of a struggle?
Yes, so absolutely. But now remember, because we've said your collagen makes up your skin, your hair, your joints, nails, ligaments, that's where you would find it in an animal that you eat. So if you're eating a steak or a chop or something like that, you're not necessarily getting collagen out of that meat. You would need to be eating the skin or the gristle and things like that, which who wants to do? No one wants to do. So that's where your bone broth comes in. So a slow cooked stock over several days draws all of the collagen out of the bones and the ligaments, and that's where you get that benefit. And because we aren't eating a lot of bone broth based meals in our modern diet, we really are missing out on those important amino acids.
And Catherine, I can attest to this. I think I started using collagen about a year ago when I started my wellness journey, and I started using it for my loose skin, obviously after having a baby. But what are some of the other benefits, and how do you know when you should be taking collagen?
So we recommend that anyone from the age of 25 starts incorporating it into your diet. So if you obviously are not yet feeling the joint aches and pains and you're not yet seeing the wrinkles on your face, it's a great time to start because you want to obviously be preventative and avoid those things later. So from the age of 25, your body, which does naturally make a certain amount of collagen until that age, radically starts declining in its collagen production. So you want to be getting that daily in your diet, and we recommend at least 2 tablespoons a day. And there are various ways you can incorporate it into your diet. You can add it into your coffee, add it into your oats, things like that. It's quite easy. We have a product called our collagen granules, which are instantly quickly dissolving and tasteless, which really makes it easy to incorporate into just about anything in your day.
Catherine, thank you so much for joining us today. And you know what? It has been an extremely inspiring chat to find out more about the story behind the brand and its journey to wholeness and health. Now, with this in mind, we want to give you the chance to win a collagen loading kit from the Harvest Table worth 1,500 Rand. And to enter, all you have to do is share with us why you take collagen and the benefits you've experienced.
And of course, don't forget to use the hashtag the Harvest Table in your answer. And remember, those T's and C's can be found on our website, expressoshow.com. The competition will run until Friday, the 15th of October 2021, midnight. However, Mzansi, it doesn't stop there. They'll also be offering 15% off their collagen category products when using the code Expresso at checkout this month. It is something you want to try and incorporate in your lifestyle for everyday use.